everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll discuss about possessive adjectives. This is the part 6 of the chapter adjectives and its kinds, and if you have not seen the previous parts you can check the link in the description box. So let's get started, and first of all let's understand the meaning of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used in sentence to show the possession or ownership, or are used to express a close relationship with someone or something, as well as modify the noun. Okay, a possessive adjective is used before a noun and it answers the question whose. Okay, for example, look at this sentence: this is his cap. So here the word cap is a noun, right? And the word his is a possessive adjective because it shows who owns the noun cap. Alright, let's look at one more example. My phone is very old. So here the word phone is a noun and the word my is a possessive adjective because it shows who owns the noun phone. Okay, and some of the basic possessive adjectives which are commonly used are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now one important point to remember here is that the possessive adjectives my and are the first person possessive adjectives. The possessive adjective your is the second person possessive adjective, and the possessive adjectives her, his, its, and their, these are the third person possessive adjectives. And the possessive adjectives my and are can be used for both male and female owners. However, the possessive adjective my is used for singular owners, while the possessive adjective are is used for plural ones. Okay, whereas the possessive adjective your can be used for both male and female owners and also for singular and plural owners. Okay, and the third person possessive adjective his is used for masculine gender in singular form. Her is used for feminine gender in singular form. Its is used for neuter gender in singular form, and their is used for both masculine and feminine gender in plural form. Okay, for example, look at these sentences. I have a car. This is my car. We have a car. This is our car. So in the sentence number 1, there is only one owner, I. So that's why we have used the possessive adjective my here. Whereas in the second sentence, there are more than one owners, that is we. So that's why we have used the possessive adjective are for the possessive pronoun we. Okay. Now look at these two sentences. This is my car. This car is mine. So here in both the sentences, the words my and mine both are showing the possession or ownership. Okay, but in the sentence number 1, my is a possessive adjective because it is used before the noun car and it is describing the noun car. Okay, whereas in the second sentence, mine is a possessive pronoun because it is used in a place of a noun. Alright, so don't mix up possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. Now let's understand the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Actually, possessive adjectives are used to modify a noun, and just like other adjectives, they are used before the word or the noun that it describes. For example, this is my car. So here car is a noun and the adjective my is describing the noun car. So that's why it is a possessive adjective, right? Whereas the possessive pronouns are used in place of a noun. For example, this car is mine. So here the word mine is used in place of a noun. So that's why it is a possessive pronoun and not a possessive adjective. So this is the table showing a list of personal pronouns with their possessive forms. Okay, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So if you look at this table here, for the personal pronoun I, we use the possessive adjective my, and the possessive pronoun of I will be mine. For example, I have a car. This is my car. This car is mine. Okay. And now for the personal pronoun you, we use the possessive adjective your and possessive pronoun yours. For example, you have a car. This is your car. This car is yours. For the personal pronoun he, we use the possessive adjective his and possessive pronoun his. For example, he has a car. This is his car. This car is his. Now if you look at this, that his in possessive adjective and his in possessive pronoun both have same spellings. So we can differentiate between them only on the basis of their usage. Okay, like here in this sentence, this is his car, because we have used this adjective before the noun car, that's why it's a possessive adjective. Whereas in the sentence this car is his, we have used his in place of a noun, that's why it's a possessive pronoun. Okay. In the same way, for the personal pronoun she, we use the possessive adjective her and possessive pronoun hers. For example, she has a car. This is her car. This car is hers. For the personal pronoun it, we use the possessive adjective its, and there is no possessive pronoun for the personal pronoun it. Okay. For example, it has wings. These are its wings. Okay. For personal pronoun we use the possessive adjective our and possessive pronoun ours. For example, we have a car. This is our car. This car is ours. For the personal pronoun they, we use the possessive adjective their and possessive pronoun theirs. For example, they have a car. This is their car. This car is theirs. So now I hope you are clear about the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. So now we'll do one exercise to understand it in a better way. So here you have to fill in the blanks with correct possessive adjectives. Alright. So the sentence number 1 is, I need to clean dash shoes. So which possessive adjective will be used here? For the possessive pronoun I, we use the possessive adjective my. So the possessive adjective which will be used here is my. I need to clean my shoes. The next sentence is, he finished dash lunch. So for the possessive pronoun he, we use the possessive adjective his. So the answer here will be, he finished his lunch. The next sentence is, dash car is very new. So here you can fill any possessive adjective, like my car is very new, his car is very new, her car is very new, our car is very new. Okay. The next sentence is, the girl missed dash bus. So here which possessive adjective will be used? Her, because here the noun girl has a feminine gender, so that's why we will use the possessive adjective her. Okay. The last sentence is, they went to dash house. So here we will use the possessive adjective their, because for the personal pronoun they, we use the possessive adjective their. They went to their house. Okay. So this was all about the possessive adjectives, and I hope you have understood everything. And if you have any doubt, any question and any query, do let me know through the comment section below. So this is all for today, and we'll continue with this chapter, that is adjectives, in our next video, in which we'll discuss about interrogative adjectives. So till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.